This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring your Sharepoint list schema and permissions are correct, because mismatched column types break updates. Once done, open Powerapps Studio and add the Sharepoint list as a data source. Then create a gallery for selection and an edit form or display form for details, binding the form's data source to your list and its item to gallery. Selected. Make sure default mode is form mode. Edit for updates. These steps let you immediately interact with live list items. Now implement the actual update logic and why each approach matters. For straightforward record edits, use submit form and rely on form controls to manage validation, wire on success to notify and reset form. For partial or batch updates, use patch, or for all with patch to write specific fields without resending all data, useful for lookups and choice fields. Convert complex values to the expected record shape and send attachments via attachment control or Power Automate if needed. This prevents type errors and preserves existing fields. Finish by validating and hardening the app so updates persist. After submit form or patch, call refresh to sync the gallery and use lookup to confirm the updated values. Add on failure handlers to show clear error messages and log issues to a diagnostics list or use monitor to trace calls. Make sure to handle delegation limits and large lists by using indexed columns and filters. Troubleshooting tip. If changes don't appear, check user permissions, column internal names, and use the monitor trace to find the failing request.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.